Welcome to Lodi Colony Art District, India's first open-air public art gallery. This vibrant neighborhood has transformed into a colorful canvas where walls come alive with massive murals and thought-provoking street art created by artists from across the globe. A perfect blend of heritage and modern expression, Lodi Colony's transformation celebrates creativity, diversity, and urban rejuvenation. As you stroll through these lines, each artwork tells a unique story, turning an ordinary walk into a moving visual experience that reflects social themes, cultural narratives, and artistic freedom. Lodi Colony was built in 1940s to house government employees. For decades, these rows of cream-colored houses looked like any other residential government quarters. But everything changed in 2015. That's when Start India Foundation, in collaboration with the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and Asian Paints, began transforming Lodi Colony into a dynamic public art gallery, accessible to everyone, residents, tourists, and even those who just pass by. Some works are deliberately abstract, inviting you to pause, reflect, and interpret them in your own way.
The idea of public art, so the founder of Start India Foundation, they had this idea that art should be outside. Art makes most impact outside. And ordinary people, common people, everyday people usually don't go to the museums to see art. So how about if art comes out and is there on the streets for everybody to engage? Because art is one of the best engagers for every age. So that's how the idea started. Why Lodi Colony? When they started in Delhi, so they wanted to have facades that they could paint on. So when they had they recceed, Lodi Colony was one of the best they could find, where these walls are very facades and also spacious, and also the walls and the whole colony. So in 2016 they had an experiment where they did 2 walls. So that went very well, and that's how. Yes. So what Start India does, it connects with all this public art and artists who are public art specialists. They are not small art specialists. Not canvas artists. They give a list of no-nos, that what they cannot, kind of reflect, like drugs, nudity, any political, conflict. So those propaganda, those 4 things. Other than that, it is upon them to conceptualize and paint, but not conservation. It was mainly to use this urban space for public art. And the location, if you see the location of Lodi Colony, is centrally located, the facade, the walls that they have got, and also the space. So it kind of worked multiple ways in Delhi city, because Start India has public art in other cities also. So for Delhi, this in India, yes. So in Delhi, this made perfect sense for them.
Over the years, Lodi Colony has become a magnet for art lovers, students, photographers, and influencers. The wide streets and low-rise structures offer the perfect canvas for storytelling through art. Even the Delhi weather, with its soft winter light and golden sunsets, seems to play along.
What he has done is social media का influence plus some nature का करते हैं कि social media friendly plants क्या हो सकते हैं, तो वो उन्होंने बना दिए हैं. एंड जैसे देख रहे हैं आप, ये आदमी कैक्टस के सामने, बड़े कैक्टस के सामने अपना सेल्फी ले रहा है. So yeah, everything has become for social media consumption. So this is on climate change, how climate change is impacting, and it's impacting the rising temperatures are impacting the plants and the ocean life in So this mural is very interesting. If you see, it looks like the elephants are peeking through a real forest. Yeah. So the whole effect is like actual elephants are appearing in the forest, and I think I like it one of the best because the artist has really kind of taken in the surroundings and thought about it, and then done this whole art form with the trees and all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The whole concept and artist has integrated the surroundings, the trees, because otherwise if there was any other art it would have blocked, the trees would have blocked it. So the artist has very cleverly integrated the surroundings and made elephant, and if you look from a vantage point, it as if seems that elephants are actually coming out in the forest and the forest canopy is there. So, and whole the shading, how, so it's always mostly this is in a shaded position. So it looks in a shaded forest, the elephants are coming, and it looks very real. Whosoever comes talks about the reality or how real this artwork is.
Nature is integrated.
And nature is integrated, and the facade has been used well. Even if the one tree is blocking the elephant, it doesn't seem awkward because that's how it is in a forest. Natural, completely natural. Yes. If you see these, if you stand here, you have two very interesting and very visually engaging and vibrant artworks on each side of your facade. This one is on birds of India. So the artist conceptualizes, he wanted to capture the essence of India through birds. And this one is a little esoteric, kind of, Gurdwar, and what the what you call Christian India, Christian spirituality का mix है, what the things are. So उस करके ये बनाया है. And the write up is here if you want to see the detail. So this is by a Singaporean artist, this artwork. In 2016 it started. So this is one of the first paintings, the first lot, 2016, and it's an Indian artist from Bangalore. And इन्होंने महाभारत से इंस्पिरेशन लिया है और उसको सुपर इम्पोज किया है दिल्ली के And as you can see from the condition, बहुत ही बुरा हाल हो गया है इस पूरे painting का due to age of this painting. Yeah, street art. So this is one of the first paintings and जो उन्होंने in fact पहली जो paintings बनाई थी were on this side. All of them were on this side or the first cut.
Over 60 large-scale murals created by artists from across India and the globe grace the walls here, each one with its own story, symbolism, and message. These are not just decorative paintings, they are thoughtful works that explore climate change, women's empowerment, cultural identity, mythology, sustainability, and more. Lodi Colony is a proof that public spaces can be more than just functional. They can be beautiful, expressive, and inspiring. It is not just a colony anymore, it is a canvas of dreams, dialogue, and diversity. So, next time if you are in Delhi, skip the usual tourist route, walk through this outdoor gallery, let the walls speak, and maybe you will find a story that speaks to you.
Great to have equally enthusiastic people come and do such walks. So thanks to KLODB that it keeps organizing.
And thank you, Sushmita, for doing this work, because it opened our eyes to a new thing. We did not know at all about this art district. We passed through this place but never paused and saw these things in detail. So thank you for making it happen.